Hello friends, welcome to CLub Crafteria. If you are new to this channel, subscribe my channel by clicking the subscribe and bell button to get more videos. In this video, we are going to see how to do this beautiful bracelet. For this, we are using two colors of yarn, crochet hook, cutter and a needle. This bracelet looks so cute and beautiful and it is very easy to do. It is a beginner friendly project. To do this beautiful bracelet, we want to know the basic stitches like slip knot, chain and slip stitch. First, we will do the chain based on the length of the bracelet you want. How you measure the length is, after doing the chain, we will wrap it around our palm like this and we will measure the length. After that, we will do slip stitch in each stitch till the required width you want, and then we will join both the sides. So after joining them, the bracelet looks like this. So let's see how to do them. To do this bracelet, you are going to start with a slip knot. Foundation chain can be any number of chain based on the size of the bracelet you are going to do. That size, you have to wrap it around your palm to see the size. So after doing the foundation chain, it looks like this. While you wrap it around, it should be like this. So this is the size for which the bracelet you are going to do. After doing them, it looks like this. Next, you are going to join them in this first stitch to form it like a circle. You will be joining them using slip stitch. Insert the hook in the first stitch, yarn over, pull through the loop and pull through the other loop. So after doing them, it looks like this. For next round, chain one. You are going to do slip stitch in each stitch. Insert the hook in the loop, yarn over, pull through the loop and pull through the other loop. So insert the hook in this first slip stitch. Next stitch, slip stitch. Insert the hook in the loop, yarn over, pull through the loop and pull through the other loop. Next stitch, slip stitch. Next stitch, slip stitch. You have to do them little bit loose so that it will be easy to work for the next round. So likewise, you are going to do slip stitch in each stitch till you reach the stitch marker. After doing them, it looks like this. For next row, remove the stitch marker. You are going to do slip stitch in the back loop. So this is the front loop, this is the back loop. Insert the hook and you are going to do a slip stitch. Next stitch, slip stitch by taking the back loop. Place a stitch marker in this first slip stitch. So this is the pattern you are going to follow for this round by doing slip stitch in the back loop. So here also slip stitch in each stitch you will take the back loop and you are going to do the slip stitch. So this is the pattern you are going to follow for this bracelet till the required width you want. You are just going to do slip stitch in the back loop around and around till the width you want. You can do it in the same color or in different color. So let's see how it looks after doing them. After doing them till the required size, it looks like this. Next, you can turn inside out. Left, you have to leave a long yarn for weaving and snip off the thread. You are going to join them together. You will be joining them down like this. Same way and join them. So we'll take the back loop and join them. Take the back loop and join. So likewise, you are going to join them around to form like a beautiful bracelet. So let's see how it looks after joining them. After joining them, the bracelet looks like this. So if you like this video, like, share, comment this video and also subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe and bell button to get more videos. Thank you friends.